All right, excellent job. It's time to move on to legato. So, not starting with the most difficult things, but a lot of people won't find these that simple either. So let's see how you do. If you get things done early, send things over early. So basically, with number one here, we're just doing, for the most part, ascending stuff. So we start with kind of like the same pattern where we're on the B string, we hammer on, and then after we get up to the E string, we do hammer-ons, pull-offs. So basically kind of go up 6 notes, and as soon as we hit that 6th note, we start coming back down, and then we go right back up. And then we go up to the next point in key and do the same thing. So we start with the whole step pattern. And then we do the whole step, half step pattern. And then we do the half step, whole step pattern. And then whole step once again. And finish with that C note there. So, let's get into that. So one of the hardest things about this stuff, doing legato, is keeping the rhythm correct. So a pattern like this I find fairly simple in terms of fingers being used. Nothing crazy complex. I feel it's well suited for getting fast or being able to push your speeds. And then doing it without a metronome, you can really just kind of fly with it because, again, fairly simple patterns for the fretting hand. But once you put that metronome on and you're trying to play it in a very specific rhythm, a very specific tempo, that's when it gets challenging. So things like this, I feel, are great for improving your legato control. So here we go, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. So before I continue, other things, as I look back at the notes I took on your skill and knowledge evaluation. So just remember, like, the muting was one of the big things that I heard when you were doing the hammer-ons and pull-offs. Although the pull-offs seem to be better on muting, I think it was. So just remember, make sure your picking hand is sitting on top of these unused lower strings. A great place to put your hand is directly over the neck pickup. Because if you have it over here, there's a good chance that stuff's going to start vibrating if you're not muting it. So yeah, just keep your hand sitting on top of those strings. Make sure they stay nice and quiet. So anytime you hear unwanted string noise, make sure you address it immediately and correct that mistake. So here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just remembered another thing, picking wise, because this is now focusing on legato, picking direction doesn't matter. So for this, pick whatever direction feels natural. That's fine. So yeah, anytime you got really heavy legato stuff like this, picking direction is really, as long as it stays in time, that's the most important thing. So 120 now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So number 2 is same group of notes really, just going down. So now we start with the pull-offs, and we begin with that whole step pattern. Then going from the index finger, I look at it as the half step, whole step. So, but where you start with the pull-offs. And then again, looking at starting from the index finger, we got the whole step, half step pattern. And finish with the whole step again. Alright, metronome 61. 2, 3, 4. Pick got in the way and I goofed it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. On 20. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, number 3. Number 3, we have slides happening. So, starting with an A note here, climbing all the way up to the octave, and then back down. So there is a pattern here, and you're also only picking the very first note. That's it. So basically, pick that first note, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 notes, and then you slide up. So you basically hammer on twice, pull off twice, and then you slide. After you slide up, it's hammer, hammer, pull, pull, slide. 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 Hammer, hammer, pull, pull, slide down. Hammer, hammer, pull, pull, slide. 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 So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done. Yeah. Again, a big challenge is keeping everything well spaced, keeping it rhythmically accurate. I find that the slides are, man, they really are a pain in the butt to keep accurate. So here we go. 60. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great thing about this kind of lick is that if your technique is proper, you'll still hear the notes ringing out. You might notice like the volume goes down a little bit, but as long as you got good hammer-ons and pull-offs and the slides are done properly, you should still hear the notes ringing out. All right, 120. 1, 2, 3, 4. I like that slide. 1, 2, 3, 4. $180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And 240. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew. All right, there we go. So, any questions come up, let me know, and I will see you again in your new videos.